Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video is about hair care. Hair care is something that we all want to do, but we rarely get time to do. Personally, my biggest hair concerns are dullness and dryness. I use a lot of heating tools, guys. Just like all of you, I also like my hair to look prim and proper all the time, and to do that, I actually use heating tools. Apart from that, you add chemical treatments, pollution and hard water to the mix, and you have the perfect recipe for dull, dry and frizzy hair, unless you take care of them properly. Taking good care of my hair required time, patience and multiple visits to a salon. And I rarely have that kind of time, guys, so I'm always on the lookout for products which would make my life easier. Today, I am going to show you a product which has been a total game changer for my hair, guys. I love this product so much. It is Garnier Fructis Nourishing Banana Hair Food. This product is a fuss-free hair mask. Hair masks are like potent treatments for your hair which provide deep nourishment to your hair. If you've got dry, dull and frizzy hair, a good hair mask will smoothen it out, give it a lot of shine and bounce and softness. I've been trying and testing this hair mask out for about 3 weeks now, and I have to tell you that this is hands down one of the best hair masks that I've tried for my dry and dull hair. This hair mask is made with 98% natural origin, which means that it is as natural as it can get. It is also free of sulfates, parabens, silicones. It is vegan and cruelty free. Basically, you do get a lot of goodness in this tub without all the nasties. And I have to mention that this is a pretty big tub, guys. This is like bang for your buck. It's gonna last you a long time. Now, I'll tell you about the variant which I chose. So this hair mask comes in 4 different variants. First one is, of course, Nourishing Banana, which is for dry hair. Second one is Smoothing Macadamia, which is for frizzy hair. Third one is Quenching Aloe Vera, which is for normal to dry hair. And the fourth and the final one is Repairing Papaya, which is for damaged hair. You can of course choose a variant according to your own hair type. I, for obvious reasons, chose the Nourishing Banana Hair Mask. Bananas are rich in nutrients. They provide intense hydration to your hair. I'm pretty sure you all know about those age-old DIY recipes where you squish a banana and then apply on your hair for smoothness and shine. Banana is a superfruit which since a very long time is well known to provide good nourishment to your hair. That's why this variant made perfect sense for my own hair type. Now, I have to tell you one more really good thing about this product. It is actually a multi-purpose hair product. You can use it in 3 different ways. First is as a conditioner. Apply the product on your length, leave it on for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off to use it as a conditioner. Second is as a hair mask. Apply it generously on the length of your hair and leave it on for 1 minute and then rinse it off. And the third is as a leave-in conditioner. After you wash your hair, take a little bit of product and apply it on the length of your hair for softness and shine all day long. Now finally, I'm going to show you a demo of this product, and I'm pretty sure some of you must be thinking that even though this is a hair care video, my hair are not looking all that great today. And that's absolutely true. My hair are actually due for a wash today. I will open my hair and show you how they are right now. So I wash my hair every 3 days. In past 3 days, I have gone out quite a bit. My hair have been exposed to dust, pollution, heat, sweat, you name it, and my hair have been exposed to it. And this is how the situation is right now. Now I'm heading to the bathroom. I'm gonna wash my hair, show you a demo, and then show you the result of the hair mask. I am done shampooing my hair, and now I'll get to the application of Nourishing Banana Hair Food. I could have used it as a conditioner, but I want to pamper my hair a little extra today, so I will use it as a mask. I have to tell you, it smells heavenly, guys. It smells so good. I have scooped out a generous amount of hair mask on my fingers, and I'll start applying it evenly on the length of my hair. Please ensure that you coat all your hair properly with this mask. After application, just tie your hair up in a bun, wait for about a minute, and then wash the mask off with water. I'm done washing the hair mask, and to be honest, my hair already feels quite soft to touch, but there's just one small thing left to do. I'm going to scoop out a tiny amount of hair mask again on my fingers and apply it as a leave-in conditioner on my damp hair. And with that final step, we are done. Ladies and gentlemen, I am back. And ta-da! Can you see? Like, for real though. Can you see how good my hair are looking right now? They're looking healthier, they're looking shinier and much more relaxed than how they were looking before I used the mask. Let me just show you the before and after clip so that you can see the difference clearly. I really can't stop touching them because they are also so soft. I love the fact that this mask does not weigh my hair down. You know, there are certain masks which kind of flatten your hair out because they are so heavy. This mask does not take away the volume or the bounce of your hair. I love this hair mask, guys. I actually bought a new tub as a spare just in case I run out of this one. It's become such an essential part of my routine, and I'm sure that once you try this product out, you're gonna love it as well. I highly recommend this product. It is really good, guys. With that, we've come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, then please consider subscribing. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. I do post makeup related content on my Instagram handle too, so I'm going to leave the link of my handle in the pinned comment of the comment section below. Please check it out, and if you do like what you see, then please consider following me there as well. It's time for me to sign off now. Take care of yourself and stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Mwah.